Come on in and welcome to my home. It's almost springtime, and that means it's time for the $0 challenge for spring. This challenge, if you haven't done it before, is really easy. Decide on any room, a spot, a bookcase, and decorate your space for $0. Spend no money whatsoever to decorate your space for spring. This is a great time to look at your space, whether it's a bookcase, a room, any area, and decorate it any way you want to, but without spending a penny. What it is you look at things in a different way. Use what you already have, shop your house to find something new and use it in a different place, or use the things that you normally have, just bring them all together in that special way which reminds you of spring. What's going to happen is on March 22nd, I'll be posting my $0 challenge video where I will decorate a spot in my house using no money whatsoever, and I will show you what I did. But I want to know what you did, and you can let me know, and I will put you in a playlist for everyone to see how you did the $0 challenge, decorating your house with no money whatsoever. This is a fun challenge to do, and it lets you think about things in a different way. And you might even start decorating your house from the stuff that you already have. So go ahead, dig around in those closets, look out in the garage and see what you have, and see what you can pull together for spring. Because with the $0 challenge, you have to have what it takes to do it.